Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best LED headlight is probably one of the most impactful upgrades you can make to your vehicle's lighting. These bulbs are renowned for their superior brightness, energy efficiency, and extended lifespan compared to traditional halogen bulbs. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of H7 LED headlight bulbs, exploring their features, benefits, and what you need to know before making a purchase to ensure you get the best possible lighting upgrade for your car. Number 5. SEALIGHT S6H7 LED Bulbs, Ultra Bright and Easy Install. Introducing the SEALIGHT S6H7 LED Bulbs. These bulbs offer exceptional brightness, significantly improving your visibility. They help you drive more safely and comfortably at night. With the latest chip technology, these H7 LED bulbs provide a super-focused light. The design replicates the original beam, maximizing visibility and reducing the risk of accidents. The light enhances both brightness and safety. Installation is a breeze with the 1:1 mini-size design. No adapters are needed, and it's a simple plug-and-play setup. You can install them in just 5 minutes, saving you time and effort. These bulbs are built to last with a lifespan of over 60,000 hours. The efficient cooling system dissipates heat, ensuring long-lasting illumination. This design helps to keep the light working for a long time. The S6 series H7 LED headlight bulbs are compatible with 99.9% of vehicle systems. They reduce the risk of error warnings and interference. If you have any issues, contact us for help. What we like. This light offers exceptional brightness, making night driving safer. The plug-and-play design ensures easy installation, saving you time and effort. If you prioritize both brightness and ease of installation, you should consider this one. What people say. Very bright. Great upgrade for stock halogen bulbs. Very easy to install and plug right into the factory harness. Instructions are clear and easy to read. Number 4. TECHMAX H7 Light Bulb, 600% brighter, easy install. Tired of dim headlights? These TECHMAX H7 light bulbs shine with a brilliant 6500K white light. The irradiation distance is up to 100 meters, making it 6 times brighter than your old bulbs. Installation is a breeze with the upgraded H7 mounting clip. No modifications or adapters are needed. It's designed for a perfect fit, saving you time and hassle. These bulbs have a 1:1 size design, just like your original H7 light. The mini volume ensures it fits perfectly, even in tight spaces. It's plug and play with a quick 5-minute installation. Built with 6063 aviation aluminum, it offers stable heat dissipation. The IP68 waterproof rating means it can handle rainstorms and blizzards. Drive safely, no matter the weather. TECHMAX H7 bulbs work with 99.9% of vehicle computer systems without errors. If you have any issues with sensitive vehicles, we'll provide a decoder or solution. It's designed to work for you. What we like. This product is incredibly bright, significantly enhancing visibility. The simple installation process means you can upgrade your lights quickly. If you're looking for a bright, easy to install, and durable solution, this is a great choice. What people say. These high beams have truly impressed me, offering exceptional brightness that makes nighttime driving a breeze. The LEDs deliver crisp, clear light that slices through the darkness, making my nighttime drive safer and more comfortable. Easy swap and great visibility. Actual white instead of that orange hue. Number 3. Auxbeam F22H7 Powersports LED Fog Light. Introducing the Auxbeam F22H7 Powersports LED Fog Light. This light provides 700% more light than your original halogen lights. See everything clearly with this super bright light. Equipped with upgraded chips, this light offers a wider and farther lighting field. It allows you to see up to 1,500 feet ahead. Drive with confidence anytime. The light features a 5-layer cooling design, including red copper substrates and a turbofan. This advanced system doubles heat dissipation, extending its lifespan to 55,000 hours. With a 1:1 halogen filament design, this light delivers a super-focused beam pattern. There are no dark spots or shadows, and it won't blind oncoming traffic. This light alleviates decoding problems and is compatible with 99% of car models. Installation is a breeze, and it's ready for any weather condition. If you need help, contact us for free solutions. What we like. This light provides exceptional brightness, ensuring a wider and farther lighting field. Its advanced cooling system extends its lifespan, making it a reliable choice. If you drive off-road or in challenging conditions, you'll appreciate the superior performance. What people say. Their lights are plug-and-play, lasts for years, and look great without blinding oncoming traffic. The fitment is spot on. They have cooling fans and a controller built into them. They aren't very noisy and produce a very bright light. I tried many different lights and these take the cake for me. I have reflector housings and these are top rated for reflectors. The car is a race car and needs headlights for certain classes, so it's off-road use. If you are going to use reflector housings on the street with LEDs, I'd get these. They mimic a halogen beam pattern very well. Been using these for a couple weeks now in a Concours 14 motorcycle and they are awesome. Worth the money and work absolutely fantastic in the reflector housing. There is a very clear cutoff line and the light is well focused and not scattered. Number 2. FAHREN H7 6500K white LED bulbs. These are the FAHREN H7 LED bulbs. They are designed to be super bright and efficient, providing excellent visibility on the road. The bulbs emit a 6500K white light, which is similar to daylight. This helps you see better at night and improves the overall look of your car. With a real 1:1 mini-size design, it's easy to install. No adapter is required, and it's non-polarity, making installation a breeze. It comes with a built-in fan for efficient heat dissipation, ensuring a long lifespan. Plus, it's CAN bus ready, so it works with most vehicles without error messages. These bulbs are IP68 rated, meaning they are waterproof and can withstand various weather conditions. You can rely on them in rain or shine. Each package includes 2 bulbs, providing a complete solution for your car's lighting needs. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This light is super bright, offering enhanced visibility on the road. The real 1:1 mini-size design ensures easy installation without the need for adapters. If you want a bright, easy to install, and reliable upgrade, it's a great choice. What people say. Very good H7 LED headlight bulbs, very good price and easy installation. This is my third pair of FAHREN H7 LED light and I am very happy with the very good life and quality. My previous 2 pairs continue working with no problem for the last 4 years. Installed these on my 1998 Mercedes-Benz E320. Install was alright. The back part could be deeper so the metal clips can sink in more like the regular halogen bulb. Turned on my vehicle, found no signs of error messages about my lights. Everything works accordingly. These H7 bulbs for my Legacy GT are pretty bright and have a nice clean white color that really improves nighttime visibility. Installation was simple, and they fit perfectly with no modifications needed. Number 1. Ursprung H7 fog light bulbs, plug and play. These fog light bulbs are designed for easy installation. They are plug and play, making it simple to upgrade your vehicle's lighting system. The bulbs come with a built-in fan for efficient heat dissipation. This feature helps to extend the lifespan of the bulbs, ensuring they last longer. These bulbs are CAN bus ready, which means they are compatible with most vehicle electrical systems. This compatibility ensures a hassle-free installation process. The bulbs are built to last, providing you with reliable performance over time. You can count on them to deliver consistent and bright illumination. These bulbs offer a significant improvement in visibility, especially in foggy conditions. They provide a more comfortable illumination, enhancing your driving experience. The package includes 2 bulbs, providing you with a complete set for your vehicle. Install them and experience the difference in your car's lighting. What we like. This light dramatically boosts visibility, making your nighttime drive safer and more comfortable. It's designed for easy plug-and-play installation, saving you time and hassle. If you're looking for a simple upgrade that significantly improves your visibility, this is the one for you. What people say. The installation process was surprisingly easy, even for someone who isn't very handy. The brightness of these bulbs is impressive. They produce a crisp, clear light that significantly improves nighttime visibility. After a year of regular use, the bulbs are still going strong. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.